This is my basic setup of what I need to install my headset. Pretty fortunate to have an awesome dad, and he's lent me this door frame vise because a normal vise won't be able to fit because of the size of the head tube. So yeah, here we go. Now one tip is, now this is basic physics, that heat expands. So I've put the cups into the freezer, and that's going to make them shrink that smallest amount, which is definitely going to help fitting them into the head tube. So what I'll do is I'll take one, the other one can stay in the freezer because obviously we're just going to be doing one cup at a time. And when I install the bottom one, then I'll come back here, grab the top one and install that. Got everything I need. You can grease the cup sides just to help the metal to metal contact. Next step is to put blocks on either side. That one to not scratch the frame, and the bottom one to not damage the headset, to not damage the bottom cup. And now you just want to align the logos if you're really picky. So I'm just going to align it like this. Put the block in. And no problems. And that's it. So I've just rotated the frame just so the pressure is applied from this side and just squeezed in here. Top cup's just been taken out the freezer, greased as well. There's no logo, so you don't have to worry about aligning it. When the wood starts creaking, it's a pretty good sign to stop, and that's about it. So that's the external cup, that's a zero stack. Obviously this is rarely done, just once for every bike, so I haven't invested in actual getting any headset presses or anything like that. This does the trick just fine. And yeah, that sums it up for this video. Excellent job as always. Stay tuned for a bike assembly of the Turner 5-spot very soon. Peace.